Anong kulay nito? Anong kulay yung tumbler ang bag ni ate? Anong kulay nito? Anong kulay nito?
White.
Anong kulay yung damit mo? Kaya ang kulay yung damit ni ate? Kulay ng kuwan. Anong kulay ng tumbler ni mama? Yung Barbie.
Walang
Anong
doctor
kulay
at
ng
sister.
kuko ni mama?
Mother only. Mother na lang. Mother na lang.
Anong kulay?
No daughter, no sister, because mother only. Mother. 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 Mother.
Anong kulay yung damit ni
Mother. Mother.
Kulay?
Mother. Here. Mother. 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 Here. Mother. Mother. Mother.
Sunod. Oh, galing. Sunod. Sunod.
O M O T.
Anong kulay ng kubo ni Balot? Ang kulay yan. Yung taas. Violet. Kulay ng kulay violet. Anong kulay? Anong kulay ng pony? Yung hawak ni Balot? Kulay? Ayan.
Mother. Lahat groceries, phones. Groceries. Lahat grocery. 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 Box machine. Grocery store. Phones. Whether I need the magpakilanmansin.
Kulay. Ay, sorry bebe. Sorry, sige. Si ate mo nasunod ikaw. Ang kulay nito ate?
Copyright everything. Well, this hair.
Oh, sige, sige. Oh, anong kulay nito te?
Copyright everything. 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 Yan na. Copyright everything. Everything.
Oh, ikaw naman te. Anong kulay? Anong kulay nito?
Copyright everything.
Very good.
Copyright
Anong
Mother
kulay?
everything. Mother everything. Mother. Mother.
Kulay.
Mother.
Ito pa.
M
Ayan na ito. Sabi ko.
Y
Ito, anong kulay ito?
M M
Kulay.
O
Gray. Gray. Pansin ko sa'yo.
Mother and son.
Sige, very good kayong dalawa.
Mother and son.
Sige, naglaro na kayo. Very good kayong dalawa. Ito, colors. Colors. Ito, colors.